Meanwhile, here in San Diego, many families are going to be spending the weekend working on a lesson plan now that their kids are going to be home from school.
Starting Monday, all public school districts in San Diego County are shutting down for at least 3 weeks to help prevent the spread of coronavirus. This makes it tough for many parents who have to work.
News 8's Abby Alford live now at a Claremont Elementary School to share some resources that are available for parents. Abby.
Steve and Barbara Lee, right now would be a good reason to join your community Facebook pages and also Nextdoor, because that's where we're seeing a lot of this networking going on between families. But many of the parents that we spoke to tonight say what is so important right now is to have a routine for their child. Parents scrambling now that all school districts in San Diego County are closed for at least 3 weeks to minimize the spread of coronavirus.
It's hard, when parents got to work and the kids not going to school.
Kevin Tran's a single dad and was hoping that his parents could watch his 12-year-old daughter Jolie, but the school district is encouraging grandparents not to do that, especially if they're older than 65, because they're the more vulnerable to COVID-19.
If you do have an elderly person caring for your child, that is all the more reason for your child not to be skirting around playgrounds with other kids.
This is still a very fluid situation for the school district, but before and after school programs are not in place. They want to distance any type of social gatherings. Boys and Girls Club have extended hours at 3 clubs but closed the others. The YMCA closed all programming for kids, including childcare and camps.
Even for us, working, the thought of working from home with 2 kids under 6 is a little daunting.
We met Brittany Severhill and her 6-year-old son Archer walking out of Target with Legos.
Even though my school is closing up, I'm going to talk to my teacher on a computer.
Districts are not implementing lesson plans, but some teachers have sent home packets, and San Diego Unified plans to post learning materials on Monday, as well as partner with KPBS.
So what are maybe some fun activities?
We know there will be some cabin fever, so we wanted to crowdsource some ideas on Facebook. Yeji offered doing crafts and cooking, YouTube dance classes. Tara recommends educational websites, but health officials want parents to remember to keep kids away from playgrounds and not having them congregate with other children.
And a lot of patience and a lot of tolerance.
Lots of parents have been wondering how their kids are going to make up for these school days. A spokesperson for the San Diego Unified School District says most likely they will not have to. Also, for those kids in need and that are hungry, they will be offering sack lunches at 8 sites. It'll also include breakfast for the next day. We have extensive coverage dedicated to how the coronavirus is impacting schools. Also, how to talk to your child about it. Just go to our website at cbs8.com and click on the hot button. Barbara Lee.
All right, Abby, thank you. Some local students who have been studying hard for the SATs will have to wait a little longer to take the test. Due to coronavirus, College Board is closing dozens of test sites around the country tomorrow, including several in the San Diego area. College Board says it's tried to notify all students and their families of the changes, but that may not be possible. Those students will be able to sign up for a later date. For a complete list of closures, go to our website, cbs8.com, and click on the hot button.